Okay, fine. So now, the point here came is user and city. Now, suppose what happened, we haven't provided anything. Suppose we just forgot to provide a city. So we can also define default value. See, default is equal to, let's take this at Delhi only. This will be the default value, right? Let me save this now. Again, clear, right? Now, Terraform plan. Okay, it's asked. Okay, because we need to define this Delhi in this way. Okay, save plan value. Enter value of user. User will be the Bashish. See, hello, the Bashish live in Delhi. It's take directly Delhi because we have provided the default value as Delhi, but you can also override it by providing this way. Suppose Delhi, we can write that Mumbai this way. It will be override. So this default value can be override from output. Means if someone has provided something value, then that can be overrided by this way. But if you want the default value, then you can use the default value like this. Okay. So now after that, let's do the same thing. Again, that I'm using this variable, third variable here. And let's take this at age, right? I'm defining this age here, right? And let me save this. And inside main.tf, let hello, hello, Ashish, you can write this way now. Again, this dollar inside this var.age this way, right? Let me save this. Now, let me run the Terraform plan. See variable age blocks of the expected to do mean variable. Okay, I think spelling maybe issue. Okay, capital V. That's why. Save. Yeah. Terraform plan age. Now it's asking for age. Let's take 32. User Devashish. So Devashish age is 32. We have removed this, so it's not required now. So let's say this. But see what happened. Suppose we write this way. Age is this. Username Devashish. Is it the right thing? That does Devashish age is this? I think it's for this to get rid of this, you also need to define what is the type of variable. There is an option called type, right? Inside this, we can also define called type, where we will be defining what will be the type. Type is number. Type would be number. Means you need to define number at least for this, right? Okay, let again start this variable age. Let's take it this way. So age unsuitable value for vas.age set at enter mode as number is required. Now it's asking for number is required. It's giving error, right? Okay, let me again provide this number called 56 and then username is Dave. So see, Dave age is 56. Now it will always take number as a age in variable. And right, see Terraform plan value. Let's again define any value and name called Dave. See, it's giving error because you haven't provided any variable as a number here. Now it's giving like error this way. And again, user, you can also define user here variable. Also, there is a value for this called string. Suppose what happened now, before saving this, let me again show you one thing. Suppose in age, suppose you have provided 56, but in user, you have provided 89. Is it the right way? 89 age is 56. No, no. So for this, you also can define for name type would be string. We are going to define this as a string. User would be string. Now save it again, run it. Terraform value. Let's take age as 45 and value would be again, if we are taking 78, it giving 78. I think string it would be coming this way, right? Let me check this. Why it is giving error? Okay, type string. I think string comes. Okay, let me show you all the variables here. What type of variables are there? For that type of variable, you can just check inside Terraform types this way, types and values. You can find a lot of types here: string, number, boolean, list, map. This way, there are many types of variable. So we will be defining this way. Strings usually like represent double quoted, okay, sequence like this. So string would be anything, right? Numbers you need to define it like this way. So let me define it by providing any string. Okay. Wait a second. So this way there are a lot of this types are available. We are going to check one by one for all the variables, all the types of variable. Okay. So this way we are going to define what type of string we are going to define. Okay. If we take it as a age, then it will only take age as a parameter. Means string means number as a parameter. If we define number, then it will be taking as a number as a parameter. But we have defined strictly that it will be string, nothing the age. The age will be fine, means it's in a string form that everything would be coming inside this, right? So, okay, fine. That's all for this video. We'll be checking next video for more types.